I used to work as an electrician in nuclear power. So when I look at an air conditioner, I'm not just seeing a white box. I'm seeing a critical piece of electrical and mechanical hardware that has to perform under pressure. Today, we're tearing down the basic tier matchup between two heavyweights that share a lot of DNA, the Broan FSA3BE and the Maytag PSA4B. Both of these are ducted split systems, and on the surface, they look like twins. But as any seasoned tech will tell you, the devil is in the data and the fine print. Starting with the build, both of these units are built for the long haul in terms of physical protection. They both feature a louvered coil guard. In the field, that's the difference between a stray rock or a hailstone bouncing off the cabinet or flattening your delicate aluminum fins. A wire guard might look cleaner to some, but a louvered panel is a mechanical fortress for your outdoor coil. When we talk efficiency and tech, both models are sitting at a 14.3 SEER2 rating. They both utilize a standard single-stage compressor with no variable speed or two-speed capability. From an electrical standpoint, this means you're dealing with a higher inrush current, that thump you hear when the unit kicks on. Since there's no soft start logic here, that compressor is hitting 100% load immediately. It's simple, it's proven, and it's easier to repair than complex inverter boards, but you aren't getting the whisper quiet operation of the higher tier variable speed units. The Broan clocks in at 73 decibels, while the Maytag is slightly quieter at 72 decibels. In the real world, you won't notice that 1 decibel difference, but your neighbor's window might. Looking at the numbers, the equipment cost for these condensers typically lands between $1,800 and $2,200 depending on the tonnage. Once you factor in a professional installation, including the line set, pad, electrical whip, and labor, you're looking at an average installed price between $5,000 and $7,000. Because these are entry-level basic units, they offer a very strong value proposition for homeowners who want reliability without the 5-figure price tag of an ultimate system. Before we get to the winner, here is a bit of free field advice. Keep your outdoor coil clean. These louvered cabinets are great for protection, but they can also trap cottonwood and grass clippings. A gentle rinse with a garden hose once a season will keep your head pressure down and your compressor happy. The real battle here is the warranty. Most basic units give you 10 years on parts and that's it. But look at the data. The Broan FSA3BE comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That means if the compressor fails in year 9, they don't just send you a part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. The Maytag PSA4BE, however, only offers a 1-year unit replacement warranty on this specific basic model. Both carry a 12-year or 10-year parts warranty depending on registration, but that replacement gap is massive. The verdict? The winner is the Broan FSA3BE. Both units are manufactured right here in the USA and use the same rugged louvered cabinet and 14.3 SEER2 tech, but the Broan's 10-year unit replacement warranty is the ultimate insurance policy. For a homeowner's bottom line, having the peace of mind that a major terminal failure results in a brand new machine rather than a field repaired one makes the Broan the smarter investment. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future click. The link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.